teachers, we are in Atlanta vlogging. I'm Rika. I'm Shannon.
I'm Jeremy. Hello.
And what are we here to do today, guys?
We are here at the Atlanta Zoo doing a couple things, right? We're gonna take a look at the panda that's back here. We also have a panda in China that we adopted from the zoo. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
We're also gonna celebrate our Atlanta community.
Yes!
Shannon is a Parda.
Yeah, we're so excited to see you, teachers. Let's get on with the vlog.
My name's Heather. I am a giant panda keeper here at Zoo Atlanta. I was here when Maylin and Mayhuan were born in 2013 and was a nursery keeper for those girls.
Yeah, what did you discover?
Panda.
That's the mama panda.
Sitting down.
Oh no, it hid.
Eating. I think that's what pandas do. Started doing these campaigns in Atlanta, we thought, what if we should go to the zoo?
Maylin, their mother, has given birth to 7 cubs since 2006. So she has 6 other siblings out there. Maylin is trained to participate in ultrasound.